Hey loves, how are you financially? Let's see. We got empowerment. We got the key. Let's see. Reckless. Freedom of time. Pressure. Ooh, a few people want to come on out. Okay. I hear you, Spirit. I hear you. Niche and creator. So this is a 6-card spirit. So empowerment. Are you ready to fully step into your power and accept all the responsibility that comes with it? Question. Reckless. Uncontrolled spending habits and impulsive purchases are making your financial journey harder than it has to be. Freedom of time. The freedom to do whatever you want with your time is one of the ultimate benchmarks of an abundant life. You are the master of your schedule. Creator. Your creativity is your superpower on your path to prosperity. Then we have your niche. With your unique experiences and fresh perspectives, you would do very well specializing in a niche. And then pressure. Be aware of how family influences and social pressures are influencing your career choices. So, empowerment, right? Are you really ready to step into your power? Do you even know how powerful you are? If you aren't, do some inner work. Do some things that will allow you to gain more confidence in yourself. If you need to take that leap of faith to embark on a new career path, I say do it. You got this, okay? Then we got reckless. So I asked the question, if this applies to you, have you been doing some overspending? Have you just been kind of like, you know what, I'm gonna just blow it. Like, I'm just gonna blow this money. Are you spending on things that aren't really necessary? And then when you look back, you're like, dang, I shouldn't have bought that. Where's the receipt? I threw it away. So remember to not be reckless, be more disciplined, and maybe evaluate, take a step back and say, okay, these are my priorities. This is where I desire to be financially. What steps do I need to take to obtain that financial security? Okay. Then freedom of time. You can do whatever you want. The world is your oyster. We are the masters of our time. Now, granted, if you're in a 9-to-5, your time is not your own 9 times out of 10. However, if you're embarking on your own career, you are flexible in terms of how you want to utilize your time. So just know that you can live an abundant life once you create the schedule and life that you desire to live. Then we have the creator. So that is our superpower. You are a creator. I used to think that I wasn't a creative, but the more I release and let go of limitations that I put on myself and barriers, the more I realize I'm super creative. So just see what areas and hobbies that you love and just be free to pursue it, okay? Then you ask yourself, what's your niche? Like, what are you good at? What is something that you really enjoy doing? And do some research and see if there's a need out there for it. You might be surprised. There's 9 times out of 10 a need in that area of your expertise, okay? And then lastly, we have pressure. So I definitely say be aware of influences from family, friends, social media. Sometimes we project pressures onto ourselves, and sometimes we actually are under pressure from other people. So remember, sometimes it's okay to take a step back, evaluate your environment externally so that you can maintain inner peace. Okay, so with that said, we talked about empowerment, recklessness, freedom of time, being a creator, finding your niche, and being aware of different pressures in your life. So once you look and evaluate all of these areas, you'll be able to flourish abundantly financially. With that said, I'll see you soon. Bye, loves.